mangisathwasa vele ngashona lokugobela ngisathwasa sephehlweni. So after ugobela mekashona kwaba ezinye izinto ukuthi mayimele kwenziweni ngami because of mengithwasa ngiyi-1. When I'm supposed to head home ngithatha enye direction yowela emzini yabo gobela engingabazi. So that's how far idlozi
Hayi
mesele ngifuna le ngithi I'm
ngizokudlala.
telling you. So ngabona ukuthi usho lento le ikhona ke ngacala ukuthi nami ukuthi ngibelieve because nami engafuni ukubelieve lo ngithwasa ukuthi vele vele yathwasa. Vele vele ngikwazi ukubona into zabantu like bengingafuni.
Thokozani, I am Poverty, the advocate of Ilozi, and I welcome you to another episode of Thokoza Gogo podcast. This is episode 8, I think, and we keep on winning. Don't forget to like this video and leave your comments down below. Don't forget to also join this family by subscribing to the channel and joining the channel membership to support the channel. And to advertise your product or business, please look for the email in the description box or rather on the screen below so that we can assist you. Other than that, welcome back, my loves. I missed you and I missed you a lot. Well, grab something to drink because today's episode is going to be nothing but insightful. Thokozani Mkhulu, how are you? I am good.
Thokoza.
What an honor.
Thank you so much.
Ukhuluma nobani khehla?
Khoma no tisetso keswa from Foslogas.
Kuphi Foslo?
Ebesuthwini.
Okay, all right. Ebesuthini. No, when umuntu say East
Yeah,
mos.
ngise East.
Sisonke.
Sisonke,
Sisonke.
Dlozi,
Mkhulu,
Thokoza.
thank you so much for honoring the
mina,
invite. Or
thank
should
you.
I say thank you so much for
Yes.
reaching out to us.
Yes.
Well, Mkhulu, in your text, you had a lot of things that you wanted to talk about. Gogo, my brand, this. Gogo, my work. There's Moja Love things, ezenzekile. But before we get to why they did you dirty as Moja Love, I want to know who you are in your healing space. Mkhulu, ulapha wenzani, just the background of who you are before we get into Iskaga.
Yes, Thokoza. No mina ezingisho ukuthi sethu ngihlala eFoslogas. Ngikhulele khona ngizalelwe khona so ngikhuliswe umagogo.
Okay.
So mama washona ngina 9 months, magogo wangikhulisa until magogo azashona before ngithwase 2016.
Okay.
So mangithwasa vele 2016 yaza ama family wonke awayamukeli into amadlozi so kuba nezimpi eziningi lapha ngahlala ephehlweni mangisathwasa vele ngashona lokugobela ngisathwasa sephehlweni. So after ugobela mekashona kwaba ezinye izinto ukuthi mayimele kwenziweni ngami because of mengithwasa ngiyi-1. So my spiritual sister wangiqhubekisa vele ngaceda ngaze ngaphuma endlini. Then we'll get to the part le yentuze yaMoja Love then. So ever since ngasebenza no problem sebenza abantu ukuthwasisa ngithwasisi ngisebenza abantu kakhulu ngama river cleansings when ama miscarriages nama bush into ezifana nalezo spiritual cleansings ama court case into ezigude ngazo kakhulu lezo. So ngispecialize ngazo kakhulu. Thokoza.
Interesting. That is very interesting. So uthwasa 2016 wena basically siyalingana everything
yeah.
because nami ngumuntu aka 2016. Asikisi Mkhulu ngogobela wakho.
Thokoza.
It must have been a very traumatic
Yeah,
space.
it was.
Impande kabani?
Ngamajoy.
Hey, yazi impande kamajoy.
Yonke indawo.
Akekho umuntu ohlala lana. Lalelani. Mama Joy. Joyisti. Yazi mangukuthola lana. Akekho umuntu oza lana ongangitsheli ngempande kamajoy. No, impande kamajoy
Inabe
inabile
kakhulu,
inkulu
yes, yes.
and kuhle ukubona ukuthi umsebenzi wedlozi usaqhubeka. I mean
Usaqhubeka,
mhlambe
yes.
yiyo ezosala
Yeah,
last man standing
yes.
because akusekho Mkhulu
Akusekho, yes.
ubunyanga la
Yeah,
estradini. You know what I
akusekho.
mean? Mkhulu 2016 wakhula emsebenzini wakho wedlozi. As a young person, how was it navigating between umndeni wakho, the community, so batshela so understand ukuthi manje uyisangoma usesowulethe sethu lo yabamaziyo. How was that transition for you?
A lot of into eziningi zezashintsha kakhulu because abantu bakhuluma ve bathi ha lo wayesathwasa kanjani simjwayele musuthi sethu jikijiki sokuyisangoma they didn't understand ukuthi what was I going through sisendlini because bangibona ngaphandle right but ebusuku abazi kwenzakalani ngami because umuntu olahlekayo noma like noma ngihleli nami ngiphuza vele ngisengroove nabangani bami into efana nalezo when I'm supposed to head home ngithatha enye direction yowela emzini yabo gobela engingabazi so that's how far idlozi mesele ngifuna le ngithi I'm telling you selengifuna vele mawuthi la ngithatha I was ignorant ngisafuna ukucedela ukufunda because of nesikolo ngasiyeka nje just like that no warning no nothing esikolweni bathi awundoda wayeka isikolo nje ngithe nama ngazi but angisabuyeli lapho principals came in nama-deputy bazokulanda nix ngiyanqaba ngathi angiyilapho
Umntwana ohlupha esikoleni.
nix at all brilliant.
So bekwenzakalani in the school setup ukuthi like bukuba nokuthi isingafuni or yeah.
Nokufika lento le nje ithi angifuni ngenzi nix mina. Ukuthi like ngiyafuna kahle noma nje ngonke umuntu because I was brilliant. Ukuthi kunama lento zama debates ngithanda yona kakhulu. Sometimes at the 8 keswa istand sakho ngithi hayi ngicela ukuphuma ngicela pass out ngiyagula. Bese ngidothi isikolo for no reason. So ngizibuza kahle kwenzakalani ngihamba ngebantwini bangicheckela bathi no idlozi million yothwasa. Leyo nto ngafuna ukuyifaka engqondweni because ekhaya kunazangoma. Ngithi hayi lento le ayisebenzi ubani usithangoma la endlini because asikho isangoma sonyothwaselana. That's why bhaya ngathi angiziyini izinto lezi zaba worse.
Wena bolahlekile emzini.
Mina kahle emzini abantu abagobela ebusuku ntathakusa.
Mabethola lapho bathini mfowethu?
Angithola ngilele lapho endoda kwenzakalani bangiphaphamisa bayithe ukutholela ekseni so uhlalaphi ingqondo ayisasebenzi kahle ngisakhuma ukuthi ngihlalaphi bangihlalise kancane ukuthi ingqondo izabo ukubuya nyana mayibuya nyazo ngihlala endaweni eso bafuna abantu basendlini ekhaya bangilande bathi hayi asingeni lakho ukuthwasa buyele endlini mangifika endlini kuba worse so umuntu manje ejwayele ukwenza ngcono ngihambe ngiyogroove cause of ebusuku mengalali at all yakulaleka ebusuku
Idlozi.
ezinye izinto ozibonayo manje uyamangala ukuthi kwenzakalala ukufeel ipresence yabantu uhleli egumini lakho uzibuze kwenzakalani because of I'm new kule nto lezi angizazi at all so akade decide ukuthi angcono ngihlala estradini once bese sijwayele umntana estradi manje.
Yazi mkhulu lento ishoyo it's very ibalekile kakhulu because ngihlezi ngisebenza nabantwana nabomama abahlushwa abantwana abanedlozi and sometimes mabafika bomama abafuna ukumamela vele balwe nolaka balwe nabantwana kanti indaba it's very deep and I'm so glad ukuthi you are actually reiterating istory sakho ukuthi kwakunzima kangakanani. Yo mkhulu.
It was hard.
But support from your family beyikhona yona.
No, just a few. Abantu abayi-2 the rest abayingeni. Even my own father.
Ubani lelo lithasini?
Ugogo Mhlahlo.
So ekhaya ubani?
Ngifind out basengidla isodla intwaso because mangigajeka zange beze endlini kuyezo anti wami uyiwani bafika sokulita amadlozi waphumile. So mekalokeza lwangivakashela mangivusela idlozi yasho ukuthi man Mhlahlo ukhala amazwi wabani labo hayi man mokukhona ukhala amazwi ekhaya esakhula. So ngabona ukuthi usho lento le ikhona ke ngacala ukunami ukuthi ngibelieve because nami engafuni ukubelieve lo ngithwasa ukuthi vele yathwasa vele ngikwazi ukubona into zabantu like bengingafuni you understand. So anti malokeza lapha hayi man ledlozi bathu Maria vele ukhona seswami wakuphi washonela ephehlweni njalo amadlozi akaphuma azisho athi uyabazi. So still they in denial bonke ifamily. Along the way malo sengithwasa so gogo wami weza ngentwaso she was old I'm sure mekana 83 that time. Wafika ngentwaso washo ukuthi vele nawathwasa kudala khuluma kudala bathi mawuthwasa masona indlu yakho mangena mntana okufana bebakukhipha.
Okay.
So yena mekathwasile ngathi meka lapha so mengabathu ukuthi akala mntwana umfana bamkhipha endlini so hamba nabantwana shindumba kanjalo. So bathi le Davidton ukuphi Standardton somewhere lapho is.
Mkhuluma asibuyele kule part le ngithakana unganamntana umfana like
ngithethe wakudala mangenamntana umfana bakukhipha endlini.
Yeah.
Yes. She used to tell me gogo amathi anti ngizobe umntana umfana ke that's why ngakwazi ukuthola indlu because mawuhleli umhleli namantombazana kuphela bakukhipha afuna umuntu umsebenzi phakathi. Ngithetha kudala le.
Mina kubhlungu.
It is.
So your first day so uphumile empandeni ubuyile so ucedile ukuthwasa usendlini. Ukusebenza kwakho how was that for you?
For the first time because mina ngithe mangiphuma namhlanje kusasa kwangena umuntu azohlola. Truly speaking ngithukile. Ngifuna ukutshela ngibalekile. I ran away. Magogo amhleli la ngaphandle uyangibiza ngisegumini hey doda na umuntu ufuna ukukubona ithi uzoyenza lo muntu uzohla uze lapha kuzohlola ngathi eKenya buya ngajump ibona ngayi cousin nami ngathi ayengikwazi ngithukile it's the first time ngiyi-1 phela ngijwayele masihlala sonke siya manje ngiyi-1 ngithi angeke ngikhona ngithi abusengicela ungifihle mntana sekhaya gogo amakawundi athi yendoda wozuthwasela ukubaleka ayendlini gogo amshemi mekangisupporta kakhulu
patient ne
angene nami kahlala mangihlola le igumini lami kahlala la ngaphandle kangene nami ndumi ayihlalele nje kuphela ngithi gogo hamba mani ngiphinda ngompiza umuntu hayi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uyasebenza la ngavele ngajwayela ukuzwe nganyipha amandla ngaze ngajwayela ngathi no man lento ushuthi ikhona ithi ngichubeke ngahlola ngacela ukuzenzela isikhwama because of thina masimogucile mama ngenzela isikhwama nyengaguqa
okay
so mengena sikhwama so first patient yami ngikhumbula kahle mekane case emsebenzini
okay
So ngamhlolela sharp. Uyabona ukuthi vele endumbeni imithi ayikho. Ngimtshela sengicamba amanga phela ngisho ukuthi hayi mina ngibuye eSwatini so imithi yeza i-transport wadwa. Yabona obvious ngikutshela umuntu inkinga zakho angisho.
Yeah.
Athi okay mkhulingise nithi is after
Yeah.
3 days. Leso 3 days lo ngayenzani ngathatha le mali wayishiya nemali ensebenzo wathatha imali ngafuna imithi. Mekabuye ubona imithi seyigcwele lapha ngithi ayisifikile sisebenze ke manje. Ngimsebenza wabhadala kanjalo step by step ngaze ngaba nenduma ngaba nayo yonke into.
So ukuguca kwakho mkhulu, for somebody who does not understand, because what was the situation? The situation around ukuthi ugucile. Ungacacisela mhlawumbe umuntu obukele ekhaya ongazi ukuthi ukuguca yini.
Ukuguca ufana nokuthi like uyaphuma usayuhlanganisa imali ukubhadala ugobela. Because abanye sometimes angisho masaba family sawa support abakhipha imali. So indlela yokuhlala ephehlweni 2 years because of awuna mali. Kumele uyendlini yoguqa ucela usedlozini ukuthi at least athole umsebenzi wezandla noma asebenza abantu ukuthi akwazi abuyela yosebenza. Lento zaletha imali yenkomo yagobela.
Yazi lento oyikhulumayo mkhulu ibalekile because abantu they are being held hostage.
Yes.
I hate that ngenhliziyo yami yonke because umuntu mawusamletha azongena esikhupheni uyabona isimo ukuthi sinjani. So mangizocindezela ngithi hlala la 10 years ngoba inkomo yami awukwazi ukuyikhipha i-abuse leyo mkhulu.
Practically abuse vele straight.
Khulu usebenza iclient lakho elokucala leli le-court kuhambe kanjani?
Akuhambe kahle mabuya afuna umkhulu endoda ayihambe kahle lapha yonke into othi sengizoletha nomama sendlini. Hayi vele ezo nomama sendlini mama sendlini aletha umunye manje sekuba like ngayenza umsebenzi wami ngavulela abantu laba truly speaking because of uzomuyi family member endoda khona inyanga ngithwile liyasebenza ndoda sami lo wabiza omunye lo wabiza bangikhulisile basically umsebenzi wami. So ever since vele ngaba normal ngasijwayeza ukuthi I should vele manje senginyanga ke manje.
And then ucela uhlala ngemalini?
Ngicela uhlola ngi105 rand.
I just don't know when you price.
Yeah, 105 rand.
Is a normal
The 105 rand until ukukhula kancane ayabona ukuthi hayi abantu uyabona inezamba phela ziyasho ukuthi hayi 100 rand angeke but sometimes buzidlozi because in the end gcina sengibudlwe awusathi ukukhuphukanyana cause uyabona izinto gcina sibathi no try 300 ngicela ukwenza nge300 last year. Ever since meku 105 200 ever since.
Okay. Mkhulu. So wena kahle kahle uyakhala wena.
Eish.
Hey uqhafazekile.
Engiqhafazekile dlozi.
Mkhulu. Ngizwa moja labo ngizwa fake gobela because omunye umuntu ubukele la mhlawumbe yakugnize umkhulu yes ubuya ku fake gobela and he's here today because he wants to tell his side of the story and clear his name and rebrand himself because in his words Moja Love did him dirty and he wants to tell his side so that yazini kubuye achubeka asebenze because yazi once osala nestigma abantu mabakubona eTV baloko bathi wena fake gobela. So it doesn't go away from you. Khulu, take us asiqale kwenzakaleni.
Azilolaka lelo. Mina no Antomba sizwana endlini ne.
Yeah.
Antomba uhlala eforumini, ekhazini nami ngihlala erumini, ikumlamnali, phakama phakathini indumbe nenayo kumlakhe ngapha. So ever since magogo washona, izinto zashintsha. Ngithi umnikazi wendla kasekho. So they tried by all means ukuthi bangikhipha mina umntana omlanjwana.
Okay.
Yes, ngikhule lapha umama mangishiya lapha ngihlusa ugogo yonke into ngayenzela ekhaya baba makanyizela ngalutho so practical umntana walapha. Okay sharp angisahleli lapha sebakhulumile abazo ukuthi imeli banaphume la kusekhaya la kusukini wadwatha kanjani sengemakhoti manje emakhoti bathi umntana wala mama umkhiphelana hayi mina lamba babakhe futhi uyisangoma le ndumba iphuma into ifana lezo understand ayiluzi case umama Sindi umamkhulu wami sharp. Boma 2 months nyana so ngitshela ukuthi hayi asikhulumisani mina naye uhlele efuku mina ngihlala ngaphandle asikhulumisani at all. How after 2 months ngibona abantu bangakhemeka la ngaphandle egate. Anginaki ngithi abaze kuyo ngoba uyasonta mhlawumbe bazomthatha ama video wadwada. Angibhize endume ngicela ukuqeda ipatient yokuqala. Ebisithume esethiza ngoma 10 okay sharp ngibe busy ngemakuleni ngiyofuna emakhandlela ngibuye. Mangibuye ngene egumini lami hawuna abantu bamakhemeka bayeza. Before bayeza kimi lo the late Mkhulu Mathambo usegate mina ngisendumbeni ushaya umkhwela lapha it was going on manje isangoma egate nesangweni kanye thayi abadlozi wami nje la ukuthi
umkhulu lo beka host
yes
oh my goodness that's an old episode
yes ulapho ushaya umkhwela lapho ushaya umkhwela asenyamangala ukuthi ungasho umkhwela emzini esangoma kanjani yabona ngamnaki ngithi ngiphume la ngoba ngibona ngathi basendlini bakhuluma nomamkhulu mina ngathi asifuni mina sharp hayi ngene kumini la manje ngene kumini la mina abantu ngamakhemeka abayeza madoda kwenzakalani gogo sicela ukukhuluma nawe ngithi no I don't mind ukukhuluma nawe ngicela ucime namakhemeka it's fine uzokhuluma nawe hayi bayingena indaba yami ukuthi bacima makheme indumba ngiyivulile gogo Mathambo athi yasokhipha indumba yakho la mele uhambe kulendlu ha angunderstand uthini first again so akumele uphume la uyaloya wena awu gcina sengivula uyangivula umnyango nawo sikaphuma endumbeni nami indumba la ngifuna kanjani ungena kanjani angithi ba editor futhi ba editor uthi yasokhipha lana bakhala ngawe la endlini bathi wena uyathwasisa uripha amathwasa uyathakatha ebusuku hamba ungcunu into ezingazi-understand uriphe nogogo wami u-anti
umkhulu makageza ne-crew ne uzahamba nobani ubani okufaka i-complain e-TV wathi
it's my aunt ne-cousin yami boy-true
okay
yes okay shapa bangena sigcine sihlala phansi sikhuluma inkinga yini kahle kahle abeka isituku u-anti uthi kumele ngiphume imithi ayifune la eJardini ukhanibona manje after iminyaka engako ngithwasile njengoba soshoni magogo imithi ayisafuneki kanjani hayi kumele iphume yadelela vele wena futhi uyaloya uthela imithi kuphi ngithi madoda nini isikhathi bani hey asukuthiwa amathwasa into amathwasa nina ngaze ngithwasise uyabasacamba amanga phela uthi maye bangimosha igama because mamkhulu wami ngangitshela vele athi wena uzokudestroy she used to tell me I didn't believe it ngathi angeke bedlalise le show because gogo Mathambo bacima ba offline ngiyakhuluma naye yamtshela ndoda lento le uyenza yikho lento labantu laba balwela umuzi is not about umnyanga bami so when I don't think ukuthi lento lezodlalisa i-TV like really truly speaking ngoba nezawumeme seziza ke base ngibafone le ndoda izakhala kwenzakala so beziza amatha inhlanyelo umntana lo mekathi makithaphume yani ngithaphume ayekuphi
uthwasisa wena mkhulu
nix angazi kashaya isigubhu so belapha bacamba manga imagine ukuthi ngirepha ugogo wami
gogo lo
My own grandmother.
ohlala nawe mawuhlola abantu
Ushweni u-anti urepha nogogo wakho hey mina iphi case ke mabe ngayenza lento le ifamily abayazi lento le yazwa uyi1 wacamba amanga ngayo like akangifuni mama lo angathi ukuthi ngimloyile yazi kwenzakalani should lo boyithu yena cousin nami baye enyangeni ifike lo nyanga inyanga ithi mina nyalo nogogo Mathambo mekashaya inhlolo lapha ya ngibele TV yashaya inhlolo uyasho ukuthi khona umuntu omubi lapha emele uphume
bokhona vele
mamela shawa hayi Mathambo walo uthi okay ngiyamtshela straight ngathi before ungena endumeni nami yakuvumela yeso ngicela ukuthi yonke le mithi le uyicheck yonke awuthola nje umuntu ngithakatha ngawo ngicela ungishise by editor ngathi ngena na indumba na imithi abona mina imithi yami yonke ngayiphuza yonke ngivike ngiphila so wena ngena ke ukhiphe le muntu ngithakatha ngawo mawuceda ungangikhipha ukungishisa kunandaba by editor nix azange athola umuntu ngithakatha ngawo makame kahlola ukuthi khona umuthi wenzani endlini live on TV
karecorda mkhulu lenyaka and then kuthini kuwe at that time in your head what is happening to
mangazi kwenzakalayo mishe ukuthi mhlambe amani uzovuka mhlambe iphupho lekho sokugcwela abantu maphastula phambi kwesikolo abantwana besikolo imoto ziyama hey siphithiphithi mangithi amani mhlambe kuzondlula mhlambe badlala ngami labantu la you understand because ngibone ukuthi serious bebathi bakhipha indumba kwafika sokufika nomalume wami bamfake ngenhloko naye uyafika na uthi ayindumba iphume vele mela ahambe nale ndumba ngithi bathi ukeka ekandumba enhleke la ikudla maleke yami kana ibatlemu ke ka ibatle utlwela ningi sabatlemu ke yami abana abakho bengibabuza kanjalo bakwazi ukuphendula until bese bangena endumbeni yami ke bakhipha
yes I think I remember that episode
yeah iyo le yes
mkhulu
bakhipha yonke abona ikhike ini bakhipha umuntu balahlela phansi yeah
okay so bani umalume wakho
malume nekhazini yabona bakhipha umuntu ke that's why ngafila ngathi ya khona umoya ophumayo kimi like ngibe empty ngabelieve ukuthi abantu abangifuni straight uthi ngaba yenzana I don't know because kulwelwa indlu kamagogo umalume ulwela umntana ukuthi ahlale lapha endlini u-anti ushiya indlu yakhe wafaka abacasha uhlala lapha endlini
icrew yanithini wagisha imituntu le
abanye ngaphansi baphathwa amadlozi zangu baza bathe zingangena ngisho eJardini bafaka bakhigidi bathi zangu bazingeni lana ngena ifamily kuphela ngithi abantu nebakhomba abanye bayakhala it was so sad man sengithulisa bona manje July man kuzondlula yona ngithi man kuzondlula is fine ceda lapho into zami ngazibisela endumeni then I went ngavula icase against yena umalume necousin so baboshwa baphuma futhi so ever since ngayithisho bayifaka necase yakhona bathi angina case because of azange bangithuka
okay
hawuzwanga ngafunisisa mina ngifuna abantu like bazongisiza regarding case but yes I do have a case because of bakulimazile abantu labene bamosha igama la because of this guy umtshele kahle ukuthi this thing is about a family matter and akusubunyanga so ungashuthi I've got even a voice note yakhe 2 ngisesenayo athi ngeke ngishute lento lo antu akukhohlakele yeke ngidlalise TV mina ngizokusiza ukuthi umsebenzi wakho ube right yeke ngidlalise le show TV so relax jiki senga-advertise ngimfonela ngiblock ngisathi ngiyabuya ngiyamfonela usekashonile I wanted answers kuye like seriously because ma uyinyanga lento le mayenzekela kwenye inyanga ufilana
Okay, let us come
Ma, he's
back,
late, it's fine.
Kanan. This is painful because most of us, probably you two at home, you witnessed this episode. I remember it now, the way extending our corner, because I was also hurt on my end. It's okay, fine. If they've taken you on a show like that and they have accusation, at least let it be.
Yes,
You understand?
yes.
Because ukufaka komuntu endlini, there's also precautions ezenziwayo. You understand? So masay era le episode mkhulu, you had to relive all of this. Manje seyibonwa yi-country yonke
sebona
manje.
khanya fonelwa phela manje ndoda sakubona TV yabona ngifuna ukuyibukela because of yenzakale ngibhekile so ukuthi ngibukele TV it doesn't make sense kimi ama patients amanye afone ngikhulisa kubona TV abanye baze bangiblock yabona ayihambe strategy now ufika gobela yabona but ngasitshela ukuthi nazi because I know myself
Eish.
ngathi ake ngisabukhamba strategy mina I won't ever like sika impila meloki normal noba ngiseba nezawuma zingisema emgidini bathi nawe mina ngiba normal mina
The stigma.
yeah mina ngithi akusizi noma ngasho kanjalo abangaziyo ukuthi ngithwasile abayizo kumsebenzi wami bayangazi wena if ever ungazi then inkinga yakho
Yo.
but mengunifika sometimes itshe ukuthi ngayida ngisho mina because itshe ukuthi ngiyahila until bane breakdown ebhlungu abi like ngavele ngawa nje like into zabuya zonke zabuya what one time zabuya vele nga collapse bangicheka yendo day manje clinic bathi bathe yini konje
Depression.
yeah typical was almost depressed almost not like in fact almost depressed so ngazama ukuthi ngithola amapilisi bathi unga entertain into le futhi counseling ngathi no counseling ngisizakala mina ngibuyisa umsebenzi wami acala ngenza ama meditation sengihamba umfula ngiyi1 ngiphahla ngasho ukuthi le ndlela le izongipholisa leyo la nikhulume nama counselor so ngenza kanjalo ngizele umfuleni ngihlambulula le ndumba yami umsebenzi wami wabuya kancane till today
It's mkhulu, you're part of it. And in this instance, they failed you.
they failed me
Did you try to reach out again and
a
again
lot,
and again?
a lot kuyabona umuntu avule WhatsApp yakhe blue tick
Oh no.
yeah mawuthi uyabheka Facebook yapost
THO, I'll forever
so I
judge you.
told her ngathi no yazi mina ngayidingani shoot nina nifuna ukuzibonakalisa ukuthi nikhona but you not
But
there
you're not there for the
yes because bangibuza amaloya ukuthi une case why lo muntu athi wena una case so sokukhuma indaba eziningi ukuthi mhlambe khona isandla semfene khona imali ephumile envelope ukuthi mhlambe bangachubeki ngocase cause le show meloku repeat ngimfoni ngithi ya repeat le show because of nina nithenge ngisaphindila but I will check zokhuluma nabo but ngizokulungisa ukuthi kube ne media statement bazoxolisa kuye what till today still waiting for that
You know, you narrating a story sakho mkhulu, it makes me question how many people did we watch on that program that were actually some falsely accused. And if you also are watching this and you feel like you've been done dirty, this is the platform, okay? Because it's about reclaiming what is yours.
yes
How did this affect your healing work?
yo it affect me a lot because of I can say ukuthi umsebenzi wami edlozisa inkwa sami ngisebenza wona so financially ngishayeke kakhulu emotionally so abantu abasangeni phela abanye bangena yaso sikhathi abanye bayibukela still bayeza bangithembayo so abanye abezi so financially sengiyazi phela ukuthi manje inyanga ngiyaphela kumele ngibhadale imali ayikho back to square one manje ngicala from scratch ngiboleka imali ebantwini ukuthi ngisurvive because of ngizimele ngiyi1 yabona nefamily ukuthi isiphilela impilo yabo ngiyi1 nje ngiso so ayathi ukuthi manje ngiboleka imali ebantwini ukuthi ngistart afresh ngithola imali ukuthi ngifuna imithi ukuthi ngiyenzeni ngisigeze ngiyenzeni ukuthi umsebenzi uphakame so ngafecte kakhulu lona la
But also, umkhulu, the late umkhulu, we will not blame him a lot because also remember, when we host on a show, we are also under pressure
for content. Yes.
That's why there's on-screen and off-screen content. So as much as we show to Kulumile and I, but other things are out of his hands.
Yeah,
So tell you
true.
the producer, the director, like, no, this is good content.
Because of your fucking mal, obviously.
Yes.
And that's what he said. Woman, you are telling bathi le show uzofaka imali baloku bashuta lapha eJactin ngiyabezwa kodwa ngikwazi like I'm weak ngathele angikwazi ukwenza nini lo uyifaka imali le kumele sibuye kusasa abazuthi they came back second day they came back
Yeah, day 2
Yes.
bakhipha umntundu,
Eh,
right?
no day 1 bakhipha second day baya police station baya no auntie
Okay, but azange bangene nama-camera,
Yeah,
remember
yeah,
bangene
azange
nama-camera, yeah,
bangene, yes.
yeah.
Beba no auntie lapha ya auntie bathi wena auntie yahlupha mobophisa le cousin le uze nayo la nje wanifaka lo mfana le kufika igobela like auntie wami yonke indawo like akuso ngathi ingcondo yakhe I don't think isebenza
So
kahle
usahlala nayo, auntie?
yes sahlala nayo
How's the relationship now?
yazi yakuze kahle ngifuna ukuza nalapho you know after lento la yenzakala ne mina umunye umuntu instead of ngikuye ngathi ngiyacolisa mina ngathi ayikhuba mkhulu kubathwakelo ngoba kuphisana ehandle because lo mekasho wena uthi lo wenze yonke lento le cousin yami le sekumini se next door so lo cousin yami abuyela kiwo so one day ngimboni mengifuna na ukuthi angitshela ukuthi kahle lento mekayenzelani because of apparently uye wabhala iletha kufika igobela so ngithe awangizombona nini manje ngimbona ngifuna ukuhlalisana YouTube phansi ningitshela kahle kahle ngani enzani why ninyenze so yabona until vele ulanga lelo lafika ngamthola eJackson ngabuthiwa no auntie ngababiza ngathi kuba ubalona esahlala sakhuluma akacela ngitshele ukuthi kahle ngani enzani ngaka yabona ekhazini yami akazi ukuthi athini hayi nawe uyadelela ngidelela manje enzani hayi uyazi ukuthi mohlupho usakhula uma lento lenze ukuthi wenze into yenzini akana answer straight antisa kanjela ukuthi unenkinga yempepha yami impepha yenzani wena lakhe uthi impepha yakho angithi kumlakhe nali indumba yami nayo kumlakhele ngapha uthi impepha ya double up ingeni kumini lakhe so umntana akho ne asthma so iyinkinga leyo kazi uyazizwa ukuthi uthini athi yes wayiphinda kayi3 mina ngikakhola umuntu makukhuluma into so ngikakhola athi uyazizwa ukuthi nathi ngizizwa kahle phela umntana wami une asthma and ima impepha yakhe ya double up yangena that's why kusugcina sesilwa kanje but it doesn't make sense at all because kahle kahle lento mekayifuna because lapha eJackson sathwasi mesokuyinto like bathengisa ama drugs ama cousin wami yonke so mina menyilwa lento leyo kahle kahle so mangiyilwa iyo into benza ukuthi njengoba khishwe lo cause of lo ngathi wazi kakhulu you understand so ngathi akunankinga ngathi ngiyanixola futhi azange bathi bayacolisa na kimi mina ngithi ngiyacolisa yes
Okay.
ngaba yazi ngasho kanjalo ngisho ukuthi hayi nathi siyacolisa they didn't but it's fine ngathi life
Keep
goes
it
on
moving.
yeah keeping
Yeah.
until today right now but auntie yena auntie bana akakwenzakala kusiyamila lasho
Akanamadlozi nje, auntie.
unawo yewabaleka
Niyahlangisana.
ehlangahlangene angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani angazi ngike ngaphuma ngathi ngiyomhlolela ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani no it's wrong but because ngiconsent mamkhulu wami wena noma ngenze kabi kuyavela ukuthi umuntu namadlozi ini ngathi uyamtshela uyahlanga akushani ukushaya so ishows ukuthi unenkinga yenqondo
So
kahle
umzalwane yena.
umzalwane
No,
yeah understand
yeah, no,
Yes.
it's a lot. It's a
so
lot.
injalo ke
Yo, Mkhulu, that is a lot.
it's a lot
That is a lot. And your color guban. So social media, did you try raise the awareness ukuthi hey guys mina yonke lento yenzakala lapha bangilile. It was not true.
I thought to myself, I don't need to explain myself to anyone because ngiyazazi so kuyewa ngomuntu ukuthi unukholwana
Okay.
singabantu kunyisho anyway uzobona ukuthi hayi lo vele umone kwalo nami nengayazi uzoyikholwa so ngathi ukuthi I don't explain myself to anyone just ngiqhubeke ngelife izwenza komunye umuntu wazokhohlwa ngami enzo as fun bazondlula izokhuluma ngami the whole year kodwa kwenzele something somewhere else bakhulume ngomunye umuntu akusese yimi so ngathi ukuthi I don't explain anyone to myself to anyone just ngiyekele yonke into yeah till today I'm still okay.
Mkhulu, we are reclaiming what's yours. So
Yeah.
as uphilisa abantu umsebenzi wakho edlozini ngizwile ukuchaza but let's go into depth ukuthi kahle kahle mangithi mina ngiza kuwe ngifuna ngilaphe what am I expecting or when umuntu osebenza kanjani so that umuntu obukele ekhaya zo understand ukuthi umuntu onjani.
Thokoza. You know leyo izungishaya sometimes ukuyiphendula ne because of yazi ukuthi amadlozi wethu akunikeza ama challenge different every day. Namhla uzofika umuntu umhlolela ukuthi uphethwe inyawo.
Okay.
Uyakhula awuna mitho mhlamba uyazi ukuthi ulashwa kanjani unyawo so wenzani so uyafunda same time.
Yeah.
Oyenyawo uhamba ufuna imiso uyazi ulashwa kanjani so I can say mina kakhulu anyway ngisebenza kakhulu ngamanzi.
Okay.
Ya umuntu wamanzi kakhulu so ama cleansings like once nje vele umsengimbona manje ukuthi hallo zihambe zemanzini uyabona because obviously ama miscarriages abantu abanderstand ukuthi mayenza abortion kunama consequences manje ukuthi mayenza abortion hayi sengicedile endlulanga edlozini kuNkulunkulu because of mele uyocolisa uphaphatheza because ngizoyibeka straight mina ngikwazi uground because of anyway abortion it's murder. You understand so edlozini lakho ubukeka kanjani umbulali so mele wenze noshweleza ucela ucole edlozini cela ucela kuNkulunkulu uhlanzwe ugezwe unikeze umntana igama wenze yonke into omele uyenze kahle ngomthetho into zakho uzule because abanye bazotshela ukuthi bangiloya abantu kanti wenze lento le on wacabanga ukuthi ama consequences you understand so into engisebenza ngazo kakhulu ke lezo.
Okay, Hamabulali.
Yes.
Because that's a heavy
It is,
statement.
but I think mina mangisho
Yeah, I think
umuntu uzosinka ini kuye.
probably
Yeah.
ayina sensitivity because of where you're reasoning from. But yeah, but it's a very,
Heavy nyana
very
le.
heavy statement. Ababulali, guys. Nino ababulali.
Iqiniso like
So
ngiyamtshela ngithi no.
when usiza abantu laba in those cases and then ubalile nabantu abama court cases
Yes,
and
yes,
all of them,
kakhulu, yes.
and then right now do you feel that are you at a space sokuthwasisa and all of that?
No, not yet. I don't think grade yes. Truly speaking, I don't
Yeah.
think grade. Futhi angifuni ukuthi umntana abantu azohlala emzini la athola ukuthi la hlala khona sizwane.
It's not helping.
Yeah, I don't think kuzoba healthy for yena because of uzothuza ngapha kuhlangana nalo kuyaliwa so nje ukuthi mhlambi lento izowenzakala in due time idlozi malivumile mhlambi senendawo yami. That's where I can say no now bakangena abantu because I need to have isikhathi nabo I need ukuthi ba mentor so uzomentora ngapha indlu yabona I can't do that. At least bane space sami ngazi ukuthi la indawo yami then I'll be able to.
Ukuthwasisa umsebenzi omkhulu
Umsebenzi omkhulu, abantu bayathatha
Very
light,
heavy.
the problem,
Yeah.
yes.
Uthola amathwasa ahlala emva kwetoilet kanti it's
see,
deep.
yeah.
Abantu kumele bahlale endaweni esafe nabo babe safe, you understand? So after your journey mkhulu njengoba usho bowuguqile and all of that, you did go back wa amend izinto empandeni bakhulula and then you started your transition and all of that. Plus minus now you're almost at a decade.
Yeah,
Usedlozini. Do you go back empandeni and
Yeah, ngiyabuyela
is the relationship good?
But uyazigobela bekashonile into asafana secala.
Yeah.
So ithe makashona vele ugobela sa try ukuthi sibheke together empande but umunye sekadonsela le umisekadonsela basically umunye nomunye sabheke indumba yakhe so I communication ne ayisekho. But awusicabena uthi sengikhulile sengifuna ukuzibona ugobela akekho sohlanganisana. Yayibona so into vele ngiyibona ukuthi akushuthi ngoba baba akasekho akusasiza ukuthi sibambisane so ngathi vele ngcono nami sihlalele kuyakusiza.
So
But makunazo inkinga mawusikhona inkinga like mhlawumbe khona umfowethu oshonayo kodwa
Okay.
siyahlangana.
understandable.
Yes.
Okay. So imigidini uyatholakala.
Yeah, ngiyatholakala.
Uyagida mkhulu.
Akabuhlungu.
Lalela. Yindaba enjika ngepole.
Hayi ngeke.
Yindaba enjika
Ngidlali
ngepole.
ngazo lezo hayi.
So mkhulu uhlola every day or kunamalanga ohlala ngawo?
Except for Sunday. Sunday langa likaNkulunkulu sisontweni. So
Amen.
Monday to Saturday, Sunday at all angisebenzi.
And then uhlala ngamalini?
300.
Ngamanzi ngamathambo.
Amathambo amanzi sibokofita abalozi
Okay.
konke lokho.
All right. So nje umuntu makeza kuthola i-full package.
Thola yonke into.
Ama-number akho mkhulu ne-address ikuphi?
Okay. Number yami is 083
Yeah.
313 5769. Mina ngitholakala eMfukeng 906 eFoslokas. Extension.
Khulu ngicela ubheke i-camera yami ukhulume nabantu bakho if there's anything ofuna ukuyikhipha esifubeni.
Okay.
Yeah, size nje. Yeah.
No, bafethu mina ngizon advisor. Ngicela advisor nje kuphela kwabantu abasahlushwa ingulo yomoya because of ziyahluka kunengulo yazifana ngisho gogo. So ungajahlela ukuthwasa usitshela ukuthi hey ngiyagula nginedlozi mele ngiyothwasa. Just find out kahle ukuthi impela mele uthwase because of you find out sex nabantu abaningi la ngaphandle bathwasile kodwa abalaphi abenze lutho. It's because of senenze kunyanga ifashion which is not right. Induma sigcwele akwenziwa nix but uthi umuntu uthwasile umthole emathaveni umthola kuphi this time ukuthi sichinje lento le because of in the end izolimaza nina wena usho ukuthi wenza so mhlawumbe uyenzela ukuthi ufake imali kodwa in the end uNkulunkulu namadlozi akho mazokushaya thokoza.
Well, a viewer at home, what a beautiful episode that we just had. And I think you and I have learned a lot. And to, TV, I love TV, but I always have a problem with TV as how it portrays healers. There's never something positive. If we are not being portrayed as abaloi, we are scammers. You just always have to have some form of controversy as a healer to thrive. And especially in our entertainment industry, there's no thriving as a healer. You either conform or you're out. So it's a tough world that we are in, but we will keep on forging forward. And if there's a production that wants to produce something in Mailana Nobungoma, do your research. consent is important before nithatha umuntu nimhlambalaza, because for ukuthi umuntu athi uyisangoma, there's a lot of background work that is involved. Impande, remember loyo muntu akamanga ayedwa. So maybe sometimes go interview impande yakhe nizwe ukuthi ubuyaphi before you can judge nithi, hey, this person is a fake gobela. But to many of you watching, be careful of the scammers going on around, posing themselves as izangoma, claiming to heal people, both on the social media platforms and in our daily lives. But without wasting further time, I will see you on our next episode. But thank you so much for watching this episode. It was very insightful. I learned a lot about myself, as well as Umkhulu, as a young healer himself. But let's move forward, protecting istima sobungoma. Nambeni nohlala lapho kuMkhulu nithola ukuthi uyatholakala eFosterus. If you're in the East Rand, he's the man to go to. Thokozani.